Sailing Smile, a family of 4 who sold everything in Australia and moved over to sail the Mediterranean.
So this morning we are on the move further south and going from Preveza through Lefkas down to a beach down there. We really want a spot to swim. So what we need to do, we're going through the bridge for the first time because we missed it by a day last time. So this is shaved half a day, a full day off the trip.
Yeah.
Boats everywhere, hey?
Yeah, so that's the...
They just made the 8 a.m. crossing.
Well, that'd be the 8 a.m.
coming out, yeah. And then there's a lot of people coming with us too.
Ha.
Oh yeah, that is the castle.
See the ferry. Wait, where's the ferry? The white thing.
Is that the white thing that gets out of the way, Shane? So what they've done, they've got a car ferry in place of the, like as a barge for the bridge. So the cars drive across it all throughout the day, and then there's select time slots to go through there. So we've got 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. currently, and then is there a midday one?
Nah.
No, just the evening.
10 and then 2, 7 and 8 maybe, or even 10 o'clock at night. So
But we're not late. It's 20 past 9, so we weren't going to miss the 10 o'clock, were we?
So we are pulling in.
We're in a tiny desert.
A little beach here by the looks of things. And yeah, we'll just
We're in a tiny
hang out
desert.
here in a line until this guy moves.
Where's the bridge?
The bridge is that white thing there.
That big
The ferry. The car ferry.
So it will move.
Yeah, it will move.
Are you really serious?
Yeah, I'm really serious. Here comes the Conga line.
this is going to be quite the conga line.
Way more out to sea.
Guys want to go to this?
And yeah, you'll see the canals, but they're narrow. What do you reckon it takes to get through the canals? Like 45? Half hour?
Oh, I reckon maybe an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
It's real stinky and swampy.
Yeah.
How many more minutes?
20, buddy.
So we've waited 10 minutes. Ooh, ah!
You gorilla.
Huh?
You gorilla?
Mm-hmm. That's enough. Mama,
Yeah.
try and see what I am.
A tree. A moon.
Remember, trees are like this.
Oh, you're right. The moon.
Remember, the moon is like this.
Oh, right. Okay, I forget. You tell me.
Mountain.
Oh, mountain, of course.
Your turn, Huey. Chicken! Chicken wing!
You look possessed, dude.
Huey, chicken and this little pig connected at the same time. I learned it from Jody.
Of course you did. Yeah, we look almost beached here.
I'm still in 5.6 metres and the dingo's at the front left.
The depth thing is about here.
I reckon I could beach it here, eh? Just touch.
We're not going to try, though.
I'm not going to try, no.
I can see the bottom. Although it's slightly. Oh! Daddy.
Yeah. You going flying, are you? There, girl. It's a few, eh?
It's a couple. The other side will be busy as well.
Yep. Really good.
Look at him turning.
There goes its thruster.
Yeah.
It could turn it our way. Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
Take a blanket a bit.
We would have had to have just gone past 100 boats. Easy.
100 boats, you think?
Easy.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
Come into the tail end of it.
I'm in!
First swim in about a week.
Huh?
First swim in about a week. Is it still cold here like it used to be?
A little bit warmer,
A little bit warmer. Great.
but not too warm.
No.
But it teensy weensy bit warmer.
Yeah. Oh, look at the fish. Look, right there. They come to say hi.
They're just here to eat the seaweed.
Oh, yeah. Got to clean the boat. Okay.
Yeah, probably because it's not as cold as winter. Okay, there's tons of fishies.
Now we're getting closer to winter here now. Remember, it's autumn here, spring at home. It's been a while since we're in the Ionian, like a month. And we thought, being September now, it would be quieter. The charter boats are everywhere.
Is it a little bit warmer? Yes, Mama, it's a little bit warmer.
It looks pretty cold. It is a beautiful night. We've got the moon over there. It's about 8:30. And half an hour ago it was blowing 17, 20 knots. It's still a bit windy.
Hi, Mama.
Tons of them.
They're just getting through gaps.
Yeah,
Looks like horses.
it does. How good would it be if we paddled over there?
This is probably called Goat Island.
It might be called Goat Island.
Mama.
Yeah. Oh, hair tie time now.
Where's that going? There's a big, that's that digging fish over there going over that.
Digging fish.
But we're away from the fire. Be careful so the thingy that's in the water doesn't get.
As soon as I get the rocks, we're good. We can.
Hi!
Hi, guys.
Mama, he put his head up when I said hi.
Yeah.
This is shallow enough. We're not going any more shallower. I think that was a turtle.
Yeah, it's a turtle. Look at them.
They're noisy. Okay, Mama, I'm done. Lilah, what? I've been seeing some. That'll go away.
Where'd it go?
Big fishy's belly.
Whoa.
I reckon you just made a lot of friends.
Hey, watch this.
No, it'll come back though.
Manzanas. Él come manzanas. Okay, now what?
Okay, we are back in the Old Faithful Nidri. We need to pick up some electrical stuff. And there's meant to be a storm this afternoon, so it should be nice and protected. A little Lilah girl. And Shane needs to come this dock. He needs to be there in 20 minutes to pick up the thing from the electrician. So we'll anchor, get the dinghy down, and he'll go. So,
Just the cheap, shitty battery.
Shane got a battery. What is our battery for and why? Don't mumble,
Generator.
don't swear.
Generator start battery's dead.
Okay, you wouldn't have heard that. Generator start battery is dead. Which we think has been draining about 10% power overnight. So, and we didn't realise until Shane turned it off for a few days. So we're hoping this is actually a blessing and we're far more energy efficient now that we've replaced it. So ours was only got what, doing like 11 or something.
No, it's showing 12, but when you jump, it goes down like 9.5, so it just means that the cells are damaged. So, just gonna swap them out. Can you grab my red toolkit out of that,
Pardon?
please?
3 children. Oh, it's quite a big bopper.
Wow, that's how big the battery was?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Was this
Side note, isn't it wild how we have electricity going through our body? Even when I wasn't holding the phone, I was on like 450 odd.
of me now.
Oh, you had to
Just fuck
ruin
out
the
of me
video.
now.
You had to ruin it.
Okay, are there more girls than boys? Lila's doing maths online. We're doing data here. Meanwhile, Shano's out there undoing the stainless steel screws for the solar panel we're replacing. Look at the backdrop. Looks fake, hey? I will, 1 second.
If I drop one of these tools, anything like that, I'm going to be pissed.
Then I'm here with the bucket trying to catch them as they go down. I am going to put it down now though. So now we have to remove the current solar panel, but it's middle of the day or 3 p.m. So it's going to be hot. So Shane's going to pop it up from downstairs, then I'm going to hold it and then he'll come up and help me get it out. Here he comes, solar panel on the front.
Go at the front, go at the front.
It's okay, it's okay.
Go.
Where did this wave come
Oh
from?
no.
Oh no. He won't be spewing with these. You good? Alright, let's go.
Did you have to cost 100 for it?
Maybe.
Also, Lilah, I need
Didn't strap it down.
to tell you see.
Oh yeah?
I couldn't get it on there to strap.
Yeah.
I think that this might be a little hard, Mama.
Hang on.
Go up.
Inside, Lilah.
Okay. Got it. Okay, strap it down. Yeah.
They are putting another solar panel on. But this one doesn't have any solar panel. Lilah, look. This
I'm Johnny.
a good day, but it's hot. Tomorrow we're going swimming.
Watch out, baby girl. Good filming.
No, Dad, we have to do whatever Daddy wants to do. Go to the pool or something. Or
Let's
go
hope
to
he
the
wants
bakery,
to do
whatever
that.
he wants to.
Yeah, go on, buddy.
It's no work time. Oh, thank you, buddy. Love you, buddy. You got one for me too. From big white part. And why'd you choose blue?
Big rainbow.
And a big rainbow.
And we got this says.
Happy Father's Day, Lilah. You did really well. Thanks, baby. You're the
So what
best.
do you want to do today?
What do I want to do today? No boat jobs, that's for sure.
Well, no, what do you want to do on land?
We're gonna get some bakery stuff and go to the pool.
And that's your plan, right?
Oh, he wants to do everything you want to do, by the sounds of it.
I don't really want to go to the bakery. But, okay. How long till it's Mother's Day.
It's already been,
Few months. Remember, we're in Bosnia at the hotel with the pool.
We didn't give you a gift!
Any gifts?
Good snack.
No, I don't mean hugs and stuff. I mean cards.
Will you make me a card now?
That was for Daddy.
Oh, we did do cards.
I think it's a stingray. No, I see a brown thing. Yeah, it's it. That's the animal. The animal thing. It's an animal.
Be careful up there, dude. Don't want to fall in here.
Jellyfish.
I was just about to say, maybe it's like the biggest jellyfish ever.
It's a jellyfish, Huey. Is it?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, it is a jellyfish.
That is huge.
No, you don't understand it. It's a jellyfish.
We understand.
Just in the water.
Yeah. Wowzers. So this won't do it justice, but it's the eclipse, the blood moon, Shane said. Here we go. Shane, look at it from that. Thanks for watching. We have actually now set up Patreon as some of you have requested, so I will link it, check it out, but if not, a like or a comment or even just a view is very much appreciated. Have a good one.